Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adima. Today we'll be learning how to do the 360-degree circle skirt. If it's something you love to learn, please keep watching. Kindly subscribe. Thank you. So we're going to do a little bit of math. From the diagram we have here, you can see the circumference, which is the distance around the circle, and then the radius, which is a quarter of the circle. So we'll be using our circumference measurements to determine our radius. So the formula is circumference divided by 2 pi. Pi is 3.14, so it's circumference divided by 2 times 3.14, which is 6.28. Our waist circumference in this case is 20 inches. So it will be 20 inches divided by 6.28. And when I divided that, I got 3.18. If you do not want to stress yourself with this whole math, just know that it is your waist measurement divided by 6.28. That's the standard formula for doing the circle skirt. If it's a circle sleeve you want to do, then you use maybe the wrist circumference or maybe your armhole circumference, depending on where the circle is supposed to be. Then you divide it by 6.28. So I'm folding my pattern paper into 4 equal parts, and I'll be taking my measurements from the folded part of the pattern paper, not the part that is open. So I'll be placing my radius measurement, which is 3.18, and I will mark it round, just like you're seeing me doing now. I will also mark it in between to enable me draw the circle without having to use any curve, just like you're seeing me doing now. So from the radius point that I have marked out, I'll be marking my length, which is 10 inches. I'll be marking it round just like I'm doing. And then I'm marking in between as well to be able to help me draw out the circle with my free hand. Now I'm tracing out those marks to form my circle. Now that we've marked everything, the next step will be to cut. This is the final look of our circle. You can also use this formula for the different circles you're going to be seeing in all the pictures that will be displayed. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe, and please share the videos with your friends. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much. God bless you, and please subscribe. Love you. See you in my next video.